Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful red velvet cake for Val's Day. I'm sharing a very simple cake recipe which uses just one egg with you all to enjoy this Val's Day with your friends, loved ones, and family. These are the ingredients we are using for today's Val's Day cake. We have butter, an egg, some sugar, half a lemon, we have some salt, we also have baking powder, we have some milk, melted white chocolates, cherries, strawberry flavoring essence, we have some nutmeg here and the grater. We also be using our red food color which is in powdered form. We use some vinegar. These are the measuring cups, excess bowls and a sieve, and then our flour. Also we have our already greased baking tin. Let's get started. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So this is the batter. I'm going to add in the sugar and then the oil. Then with the whisk, I'll mix everything until light and fluffy. When it gets as fluffy and light as this, I'm going to add in the egg, then we'll mix. Now I'm going to remove the whisk, clean it off with the spatula, and this is the mixture. So I'll set this aside, pick the milk, add in the lemon, combine the lemon juice with the milk, to get this beautiful thick milk mix. Then we add in just a little, like a 1/4 tablespoon of vinegar. Combine that as well. And we've got our buttermilk. For more details on this recipe, you can check out a short video on the channel in the short section to know how I make my buttermilk in larger quantities. Back to the mixture. I'll add in some strawberry essence, add in the nutmeg, Then I'll combine everything together. Set it aside. Then I'll move to another bowl, pour in the flour, baking powder and salt. Since I don't have cocoa powder, I'm going to substitute with some Milo. Then we'll sift. Now I'm going to add in some of the red velvet food powder. Half a tablespoon will do. Mix it with the dry ingredients. Until everything mixes up nicely. Now I'll set this aside. Push the wet ingredients into the middle. Add in some of the dry ingredients. Let me say about half. Combine with the wet in kind of a circular motion. Mix into the middle, cut at the end, mix into the middle, cut at the end. Now I'm going to add in half of the milk mixture. Mix it in. So I'll add in the rest of the dry ingredients and then the milk in alternating motion as everything is mixed into the cake batter nicely. Our cake batter is ready. We are going to pour it into our ready greased baking tin. Then I'll smoothen it out inside the pan to give it kind of a level top and ensure that the batter is spread to all the sides evenly. I'm doing this to help air bubbles in it break apart and then burst any tiny ones as well. So we'll bake this at 160 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes on medium to low heat, ensuring that it doesn't get burnt. So I've removed the cake from the oven and this is it. We are going to let it cool off for about 30 minutes. Then we add the white chocolate to it. But before that, when it's 15 minutes into the cooling process, I'm going to flip it onto the cooling rack here. So I'm going to flip the cake. So that is the bottom part. Flip it upside down and then allow it to cool off. The holes on top are the holes created by the toothpick here, which I used to check if it was thoroughly cooked. So let's leave it for it to fully cool off before we add everything that we are going to add to it. So this is the bottom part of the cake, and this is the top after it has cooled off. I'm going to pull it to the side. Then we'll place this serving tray here. Lift the cake, place it on it. Take the serrated knife. Then I'm going to cut just a little bit of the top. Then I'll pick the pieces and place it into our bowl here. So I'm going to pick up the chocolate and then we'll scoop some onto it. Then I'll use the spoon to make round movements on the cake all around the edges. We need more chocolates, so at the edge, all the way here. So I'm going to add the cake crumbs to just the middle parts. I'm going to place on the cherries. And this is our Val's Day red velvet cake. Just look at how beautiful it is. So we are going to slice into it. This is the cake. I'm going to place it here. And then we'll enjoy. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.